Hi, this is a video for R53 Supercharged Mini Cooper S's. What we're going to look at is we're going to look at this offending item, which is a oil cooler. So basically this is a heat exchanger unit. You can see it's got two stub pipes there, which has water, so water goes in and out, vehicle normal car water. And on the back there's two holes which I've just greased up there. This is the old one that's come off. You can see there are like two elliptical seals here, sort of one there, one there. Now obviously you don't need to make sure you hold them, because if you look down there, this is the flange. Can you see there's two oil, they're a bit greasy. I've just put some grease on them there, two new seals. They do come as round seals, and you just sort of put them into the elliptical recess. There's four, you can just about make out at the top. You can see the four screw mounting holes. They're T20 Torx, I think they are, or whatever they are. You'll figure that out. And then just these two water pipes here, these loose ones, which just go back obviously onto the stub pipes. It's accessed from just inside the driver's side wheel well, so you just jack it up. Now the reason why I'm changing this is because the car is showing a little bit of greasy oil in the water in the header tank. There's no water in the oil, and there's looks like smeary bits of oil in the header tank, and this is a common problem that this cooler inside the matrix, they can fail, and you get the oil pressure is higher than the water pressure, I believe, so you get oil in the water. So we'll change that and we'll flush the water system out and we'll see how we get on. Alright, cheers, thanks for watching, bye bye.